Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to construct custom phylogenetic trees using the BV-BRC Bacterial Genome tree service. We will also use iTOL, Interactive Tree of Life, to refine and polish the phylogenetic trees for better visualization and interpretation. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to construct, customize, and visualize high-quality phylogenetic trees for comparative bacterial genomic studies. Let's get started. Log on to the BV-BRC platform. Under the Tools and Services tab, select the Bacterial Genome Tree option. Select the genome group and add it to the analysis pool. Then select the output folder and assign a file name for the output. Click Submit when everything is ready for analysis. You may view the result under the Jobs tab. Select the output file. Click the eye icon to visualize the result. You may also make adjustments to generate a phylogenetic tree with improved clarity and interpretation. Once you are satisfied with the display, you may download the result in different formats for further analysis or reporting. To upload the raw data to iTOL platform for further modification, go to the detailed file and click on it. Download and save the .nwk file. The file name bear the code tree with genome name. Open the file with Notepad and copy its contents. Access the iTOL platform, and under the Support Values option, click Upload a tree. Paste the content into the tree text box. Then click Upload for data processing. You may display the tree in circular, rectangular, or unrooted formats. You can also make various modifications to the tree according to your needs. We will cover this in more detail in a future tutorial. Stay tuned. You may download the tree in different file formats once you are satisfied with the display. Before we finish, a quick shout out to the institutions and agencies behind this platform. We've also added a scientific citation if you want to explore the topic further. For a deeper understanding, don't forget to check out the YouTube link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more content.